Hello girls and boys, welcome to Blackboard Techniques. In today's class, we'll be solving fourth problem in exercise 2.2. If you check out the playlist in English, you'll be able to find out all the previous example problems and exercise problems with solutions. The video link is in the description. Do check it out, it will be helpful for you. Now we can see the question. Here the question is, if 13,824 equals 2 power a into 3 power b, then find a comma b. Here, what is the question? We need to find out the value of a and b. Okay, what is given? This number is given. This equals this. We are going to change this number in this form somehow. So, in previous example problems also we had learnt about the same concept. For this kind of question, we have to use factorization method. What is factorization? Factorization is nothing but breaking big number into smallest factors. This is big number, this is small factors. Okay, factorization is nothing but it's a process of breaking big number into small factors. So we should find out the factors of this number. How much? 13,824. For that we have to use L method. In previous examples also we used L method for finding factors. What is L method? L method is a division process. We'll be starting from the divisors like very smallest numbers, starting from 2, 3, 4 and goes on. But when we are reaching the value 1, we should stop it, and left side, whatever number we are having, that numbers are called as factors. If you haven't watched that video, check that video first. I'll give you the link in the description below. Do check that video first. For example, for finding the factors, we need to find out the factors of 10. What we are going to do is, I'm writing this L shape, drawing this L shape and starting from the smallest number. We should not include 1 first. We'll be starting from 2, 3 and goes on. But whatever number we are taking, that should completely divide this number without leaving the remainder. That means if you are taking 2, if we divide 10 by 2, we'll be getting 5, right? The remainder will be 0. So in this case, we can take 2 as a factor. 2 here, 2 will be here, and 5 into 2, 10, right? And this is completely, this 10 getting divided completely without leaving the remainder. And also in this case 5, in this case also whatever number we are taking, that number should divide this number completely. So if I am taking 2, I could not divide this 5 completely, right? 2 into 2, 4. So the remainder is 1. So I cannot take this 2, and also 3. I cannot take 3. 4 also I cannot. But 5 I can take, right? If I am dividing 5 by 5, question will be 1. The answer is 0. So I am taking 5 here. I am going to divide 5 by 5. I'll be getting 5, right? 1 into 5, 5. 5 into 2, 10. Here we reach the number 1, right? And whatever number we are having outside, 2 and 5 are the factors of 10. This is just for example. Okay. In this case, we have to find out the factors of 13,824. Okay. This is just for an example. Now we can see this solution of this question. Okay. Now for the solution, I have written the given information. What is given in the question? 13,824 equals 2 power a into 3 power b. Okay, we have to split this number into this form. For that only we are going to use the concept of factorization. Factorization is nothing but finding out the factors using L method. So now we can find out the factors using L method. For finding factors, I should draw the L shape. Inside I should write this number 13,824. Okay, this is nothing but dividing this number with the very smallest number as divisor. Okay, now we should not take 1 first. I'm taking from 2, 3 and goes on, but you should stop the process until you reach the number 1. So I'm taking 2 first. Why? Because the last digit is 4. So I can divide this number by 2 easily without leaving the remainder. The concept is whatever number we are taking for the division, that should completely divide this number without leaving the remainder. So I'm taking 2 here. If I'm dividing 13 by 2, I'll be getting 6 2s are 12, right? So 1 would be the remainder, 1 and 8. 18. So if I'm dividing 18 by 2, I'll be getting 9. 9 2s are 18, right? And 2 is here. If I'm dividing 2 by 2, I'll be getting 1. 1 into 2 is 2. If I'm dividing 4 by 2, I'll be getting 2, right? I'm dividing each and every number by 2. Okay. Now here also the last digit is 2. So I can divide this number by 2 easily. So I'm taking 2 again. If I'm dividing 6 by 2, I'll be getting 3, right? If I'm dividing 9 by 2, I'll be getting 4. The remainder is 1. So the 11 will be coming here. 11 by 2. If I'm dividing 11 by 2, I'll be getting 5. The remainder 1, right? 1 and 2 here. Here we'll be having 12. If I'm dividing 12 by 2, I'll be getting 6. Then last digit is 6. So again I can check 3. If it is not getting divided completely, I can go for next number. Now I can check 2. If I am dividing 3 by 2, I'll be getting 1, right? The remainder is 1. So 1, 4, 1 and 4, 14. If I am dividing 14 by 2, I'll be getting 7, right? And here 5. If I'm dividing 5 by 2, we'll be getting, the quotient is 2. The remainder is 1, right? 2 2s are 4. The remainder is 1. So 1 would be coming here. 1 and 6 is 16, right? If I am dividing 16 by 2, I'll be getting 16 by 2. I'll be getting 8, right? 8 into 2, 16. 8. And now in last digit, I am having 8. So I can check with 2. So I'm taking 2 here. If I'm dividing 17 by 2, I'll be getting 8. 8 2s are 16. 1 would be the remainder. And 1 will be coming here, 12. If I'm dividing 12 by 2, I'll be getting 6, right? 6. And then if I'm dividing 8 by 2, I'll be getting 4. And now here also I'm getting 4. So I can check with 2. If it is not getting divided completely, I can go for another number. So I'm checking with 2. If I'm dividing 8 with 8 by 2, I'll be getting 4, right? 4 into 2, 8. So if I'm dividing 6 by 2, I'll be getting 3. If I'm dividing 4 by 2, I'll be getting 2. Again, I'm getting 2 here. We can check with 2. 2. If I'm dividing 4 by 2, I'll be getting 2. If I'm dividing 3 by 2, we'll be getting 1 as quotient and 1 as remainder. So 1 remainder is coming here. So we'll be having 12 here. So 12 by 2. If I'm dividing 12 by 2, I'll be getting 6, right? So final digit, the last digit is 6. So I can check again with 2. If I am dividing 2 by 2, I'll be getting 1. Here 1 is there. So I have to put 0, right? Then only I can take this 2 digit as together. If I'm dividing 16 by 2, I'll be getting 8, right? 8 into 2, 16, right? We should continue this. Since I have no space here, I can continue this process here. Okay, you have to continue, you have to write this continuously. So 1 and 1 not 8, I have to check with 2. So if I am dividing 10 by 2, I'll be getting 5, right? Then 8, if I'm dividing 8 by 2, I'll be getting 4. 4 2s are 8, right? Again, the last digit is 4. I'm taking 2. If I couldn't divide this 2, couldn't divide this 15 by 4, we have to check with another number. I'm checking 2 now. If I'm dividing 5 by 2, we'll be getting quotient as 2 and the remainder is 1, right? So 1 would be coming here, 14. If I'm dividing 14 by 2, we'll be getting 7, right? So here last digit is 7. So we couldn't divide this 27 by 2 completely. So I have to check with another smallest number, that is 3. I can check with 3 now. 3, 27. If I'm dividing 27 by 3, I'll be getting the quotient as 9, right? 9 3s are 27. The remainder is 0. So 9 3s are 27. Again, the digit is 9 only. So I cannot go with 2. So I can go with 3. If I am dividing 9 by 3, I'll be getting 3. 3 3s are 9. So I'm getting 3, right? And now digit is 3, so I cannot divide this with 2, so I can go for 3 itself. So if I'm dividing 3 by 3, I'll be getting 1. Finally, we reach just the number 1. So we can stop. We couldn't divide again. So whatever number we are having in the left side is called as factors. So what would be, these are all the factors of 13,824. 2, 2, 2, 2. How many times 2 appears? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 times 2. The number 2 is appearing. And 3 times number 3 is appearing, right? So how I can write the answer? I can write 2 power 9, right? 9 times 2 is appearing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 2 power 9 into 3 times number 3 is appearing. So I can write 3 power 3, right? Shall I write like this? Yes. Why? Because number 2 is appearing 9 times. So I can write 2 power 9. If I'm taking 3 means 3 is appearing 3 times. So I can write like 3 power 3. So somehow we have gotten the answer in the form of this, right? So I can, all these we have gotten from this number only. This number equals this number, right? So 13,824 equals this number 2 power 9 into 3 power 3. So I can apply the value of this number. What is here? 2 power a into 3 power b equal, what is the answer we have gotten? 2 power 9 into 3 power 3. So I can check the both sides. In the place of a, what I am having here? 9. Because this 2 and 3 is same. In both sides, we are having same number. 2, here also 2. Here 3, here also 3. So I can compare this with this, right? So in place of a, we are having 9, right? And in place of b, we are having 3. So we have gotten the answer of the value of a and b. What is a here? A is 9, b is 3. This is the answer of fourth problem in exercise 2.2. A equal 9, b equal 3. This is the answer. Okay, this is very simple. You have to know L method for finding the factors. That's enough for this question. For solving this problem, we have to know what is L method and how to do this. How to find out the factors. That's enough for this question. I can give you the link in the description below for the introduction of L method. So you can do this problem easily. I hope this video, this much I had in this video. I hope this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends, hit like button and subscribe to the channel Blackboard Techniques for more updates. We'll see you in another video. Until then, Shiny signing off.